So in this video, I'll walk you through how you can give someone an access to your Meta Business Manager account. I'll add the link to this page in the description of this video. All right, so before we go there, I just want to explain to you the difference between your Meta Business Manager and your Ads Manager account. So your Meta Business Manager acts like a management tool where you can organize all your assets on Meta. Okay, that includes your ads manager, your Facebook and Instagram pages, your audiences, your events, your pixels, basically everything that you're using in Meta. So for ads manager, this is where you actually set up and run your campaigns. So now that we know the difference between these two, let me show you how you can give someone an access to your Meta Business Manager. All right, so from this page, just go to settings, click on settings, and then once you're here, go to people, and then click invite people. Okay, so here it will ask you to type in the address of the person that you want to give access to. So I will type in my email. Okay, there. And you can even give a temporary access to that person. All right. So once you're good, all right. So this one's already invited. So I'll just use a different email. Okay, this is just for demo purposes. All right. So just click on next. So here you will be asked which level of access you want to give that person to. So you have three options. You have partial access, you have full control, and then you have your advanced option. All right. So you can just read on the description for each of this access, and then you can choose which one you want to give that you want to get to that person. Okay. So for me, I'm okay with partial access with an access to apps and integration. So just toggle it and then I'll click on next. All right. So here it will ask you to assign business assets to that person. All right. So we have the asset. These are the assets that is available here. Your pages, your ad accounts, your catalogs, your pixels, and your Instagram accounts. So let's start with your pages. So you can select all the pages. You have that option to select all the pages that is associated or linked to your Meta Business Manager. All right, but if you want to select a specific page only, you can do so by checking it. All right, and then you can choose a permission. This is basically the process for each of the asset type. So you choose the asset and then you assign the permission. You can just read on the description for each of the access and then choose the one that you want to give to that person. All right. So as a Facebook ad strategist, I always ask my client to give me an access to their ads and the insights of their pages because that would allow me to use their pages in in the campaigns that I will set up and run. Okay. So now that we're good with the pages, and then also you'll notice that um my Facebook and Instagram pages already linked with each other. So once you select any of them, you will also, let's say you select Instagram, it will already you'll automatically have an access to my Facebook page because they are linked to each other. All right, so you might notice that. And it will not show, let me show you the difference. It will not show it here in Instagram. Okay, because they are linked to each other. All right. So we're good with the pages. Let's go to add accounts. And just like your pages, you can select all the ad accounts here that is linked to your Meta Business Manager. But again, you only want to give that person an access to only one ad account. You can do so by clicking on it. And then again, you need to choose the permission that you want to give him. All right. So we're good with the ad account. Same with your catalog, but since my account doesn't have a catalog, I will not select any of it, and then pixels. I don't have any pixels here, but it's going to be the same process. You select the pixel and then you assign a permission. So with the Instagram account, same process, select the Instagram account and choose the permission you want to give that person. So once you're good with everything, just click on next. And then this is where you review the invitation that you want to give that person. And then once you're okay with everything, just click on send invitation. Okay. All right. And you should see this invitation sent page. Now, the invitation is only good for 30 days. So make sure that you inform that person that you already sent them an invitation. Now I'll show you how it looks like when the person you invited received an email from Meta. All right, so this is the email that they will receive from Meta. They just have to click on view invitation. And then they need to log into their Facebook page and create their profile to be part of your Meta Business Manager. So I'll show you how it should look like in your Meta Business Manager after you sent the invitation. So we're back to your Meta Business Manager account. Just make sure that you're in settings and then go to people. And then from here, you will see the status of your invitation. All right. So if they haven't accepted the invitation, you will see this invited status or the invited here. And once they accepted that, you will see either inactive or active, and it will show you their last activity. When was their last activity here? So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have more questions about giving someone an access to your Meta Business Manager account, just let me know in the comments and I'll answer them. All right. See you in my next video. Bye.